Yo, what's up mga ka-off-duty lesson sounds? So for this video is meron tayong event or under service na naman tayo. So dito tayo sa Silver Trace, ayan, pagmamayari to ni Sir Marco Vascon. So proceed tayo sa setup dito sa loob guys. Alright. Guys, so ito yung setup dito guys. So hindi ating speaker to sa venue na to guys. Bali dalawa, ayan, dalawang speaker lang. Basic lang guys kasi medyo maliit lang naman yung area. So dito tayo nag-booth, ayan. So gamit na ito yung wireless microphone natin from Mecman Audio, CMCX 100. And guys, so sa lahat ng gusto mag-order guys, contact lang sa akin kung hindi nyo ma-reach si Mecman Audio. Ayan, so sa presyo nito guys, message nyo lang ko. Anyway, so ito lang yung dala natin guys, mixer, tapos wireless mic. So nakitap lang tayo sa main mixer nila. So ito yung speaker nila guys, I think Kevlar to, na KR10, KR310, ayan, 3-way. Ayan, so meron tayong ibang wireless mic dito pero yung gagamitin lang natin is si Mecman Audio. Ayan, so mas maganda yung nito guys, frequency nito. Tsaka ang layo, kayang-kaya yun ng malayo hanggang 100 meters. So ito guys, mag-set tayo ng kanyang mag-scan tayo guys. So mag-scan tayo is itong ito. Kasi tapos na yung isa guys eh. So dito tayo sa second channel. So yung frequency nito is 641. So babaguhin natin yung 668. So set lang tayo dito ng scan, long press lang para automatic scan. Ayan. So antayin lang natin si receiver na hanapin yung best na frequency. Ayan. So pag titigil na yan siya guys, pindutin natin ulit yung scan. Ayan. Yung scan isang beses. Tapos ayan, tapat natin dito guys. Ayan sa remote. Ayan, 689. Ayan, 689,500. So, check natin guys. Lang. Bili tayo ng volume. Baba muna natin yung effects. Ayan. Hello, sound check, testing, mic check, 1, 2. Sound check, testing. Hello, sound. Ayan, so far guys, okay na yung signal natin. So, naka-fix lang tayo dito. Binabaan ko yung sa fader nila kasi masyadong malakas yung signal from here to dito. But nakababa na nga yung gain ko. Hindi nga yan malakas guys. I don't know kung saan yung nagka-problema. But yung mixer niya guys is Yamaha F7BT. So walang operator dito guys. Bali naka-fix ng yung setup dito. Bali nakitap na lang tayo dito guys. Yan. So So mamaya mag-start na tayo. Magpe-play lang ako ng music for background music lang guys. Kasama natin si Sir Rico. Ayan. Yung photographer natin dito. And the same time siya yung father ng debutant. Alright. Busy guys. Oh. Alright. Okay guys, so ito na yung final setup natin. So pasensya na sa wirings guys. Medyo magulo. Anyway, ito. From main out ko ng aking mixer. Papunta dito sa I think 4 and 5th channel ng kanyang mixer. So hindi atin yan guys. So ito yung sa atin. Tapos yung ating first and second channel. Ayan, connected yan yung ating wireless microphone, which is itong MCX 100 ni Mecman Audio. Ayan. So bali dalawang wireless mic lang yung i-provide natin. Ayan. Tapos laptop na guys. And then sa some effects ko, ito lang yung effects na ginagamit guys. So again guys, disclaimer guys, hindi ako professional na spinner, but may konting at kapiraso naman tayo alam dito sa pag-spin.
Bola lang yan.
Right? Update lang later. Okay guys, so ito yung program ng ating event ngayon. So importante talaga guys na hingin yung program ng event para alam niyo yung yung music na ipi-play nyo. Halimbawa dito, meron silang sinulat na call to order. Tapos yung music nila is ito. So napaka-importante ito guys. Pero guys, kung meron kayong mga stock or mga nakasave na sa inyong laptop, okay yon. Pero habang wala or parang dagdag na rin, baka may specific sila na ipa-play during entrance, during dinner o ba. At least meron kayong kopya at saka alam niyo yung flow ng program para kahit paano ahead of time is alam niyo na kung ano yung mga song na ipi-play niyo. Alright, so yun lang, another tip lang as a spinner. Kahit hindi tayo professional spinner. Alright.
Is not just a milestone, but a rite of passage, a transition from youth to young adulthood. Tonight, we celebrate the life, dreams, and future of our beautiful debutant.
Good evening ho sa lahat ng
nandito. Pwede naman kayo upo. And we have Rico and the Toy family. I would like to welcome you all to our Not So Baby Girl's 18th birthday. It's really a big honor for us to have you all celebrate.
Huwag mong pigilin kung nais magpaluhan. Pakiramdam mo, sana'y guminhawa. Kung gusto mo ay magsigarilyo muna, habang tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Huwag kay sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali, bago tayo magkayakap sa dilim.
Ayan guys, so nakapila na sila sa pagkain at ready ng yung ating dinner. But hindi tayo makaalis-alis dito kasi nagpe-play tayo ng music. Siguro mamaya pag wala nang masyadong pila at pipila tayo para sa pagkain. Alright! Paborito! Alright! Ayan guys, refill tayo. Masarap eh. Bola lang yan. So guys, ito yung father and daughter dance. Ayan. So pasensya na guys kung hininaan ko yung music natin dito para iwas tayo copyright. And the same time nag-layer din tayo ng background music para hindi talaga tayo ma-copyright guys kasi mahirap na. At hindi natin ma-monetize itong video na to. So ayun, ito is a father and daughter na dance. Ayan, nakakaiyak naman. Alright, tuwang-tuwa yung debutant natin, the same time yung parents niya. Alright.
Ang akong ika'y aalagaan, ibibigay lahat, pati ang buwan sa ilalim kung makabigay. Kaya aminin na tunay na pagtingin.
And also messages and everything you give it to me. And all my life, I feel like wala na akong naisip ang plates for tonight. But I chose to remember this memento since it's one of the lifetime na experience. Wala ko nag-expect actually na i-debut yung ko. Ano lang kay mami ng board? Ano lang ang kwarta? Shopping. Pero, yeah, I didn't expect this. And I'm very thankful. Thank you maayo sa akong parents na for this gift. And thank you for being there for me. And everyone here, alam ko ba nag-expect sa speech? Like, okay. So, thank you for being here all tonight. Even though awkward pa tumugan sa sayaw, we did it.
Mahal ka namin tayo mo. Magpasalamat ni sa among mga guests, sa mga naadiri. Salamat kayo sa yung time kabalo kung gabi. Idit siya no, tapos klase pa para pagkauma, tapos
Ayun guys, so patapos na yung event natin dito at mag-pack up na tayo later. Alright. Kasama natin ito yung owner ng event place, si Sir Marco. Sir Mark, ang sarap ng pagkain nyo. Alright. Alright.
Here and for making Belle's 18th birthday so meaningful. To our hardworking technical team and food committee, thank you for making everything run so smoothly and keeping everyone happy and full. And of course, a big thank you to Julian for sharing your amazing talent with us tonight. Let's give it and to you, Belle, as your friend and tonight's host, I just want to say how proud I am of you. This is just the beginning of a exciting new chapter, and I can't wait to see the beautiful journey ahead of you.
Alright guys, so pack up na tayo tapos na yung event natin. Pack up na tayo guys at uwi na tayo ng bahay. Alright? Alright. Maligayang kaarawan, Miss Miguela Catherine Belle. Wishing you a year filled with endless joy, peace, and wonderful blessings. You deserve nothing but the best. Again, happy birthday from Off Duty Lights and Sounds. Alright.